Thanks for tuning in to the Mr. Show. I, redpillrixter, and we're here for you, doing it like this. This studio, this show, this recording, we have featured for you my very first usage of AI. So this AI lady is going to talk to you guys, and then I'm going to chip in from time to time, right? So thanks for tuning in to the Mr. Show. I've been down and out for a little bit, but I'm back strong. So remember, I'm trying to grow my channel, so like and subscribe is very important. So all right, let's get right into it. The Mr. Show. I, redpillrixter. Let's go.
Is all about conversations that add value and discussions about real life relationship scenarios. Please remember to like and subscribe to get more jaw-dropping and thought-provoking videos and conversations.
That independence, I hate when tabo we independent, this and that, I don't need no. Yes, the fuck you do. We all need them, right. Just like how them need us. We need them too. Me not independent and I hate to be that way. No, me not be no blood clot independent. You're supposed to cater for your man did it for you. You understand what I say?
I like it. Shout out to all my Jamaicans that listen in, people from Antigua, St. Kitts, all my people right now listening in from Trinidad. Big up on yourself, right? Let's go. I like it. Independence. Forget that.
That independence, I hate when tabo we independent, this and that, I don't need no. Yes, the fuck you do. We all need them, just like how them need us. Right. We need them too. Me not independent and I hate to be that way. No, me not be no blood clot independent. You're supposed to cater for your man did it for you. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Right.
High Point 911, what is your emergency?
All right, so we have here an emergency happening. It's Jesus himself. Jesus himself is here, people. He broke into a pizza store, and Jesus is here.
He needs some milk.
All right, check this out.
Yes, this is Jesus Christ, and I just broke into the Pizza Hut. I broke the window in, and I'm here. Jesus is here now. He's back to earth.
All right, and so you don't work there?
No, I just broke in, had a pizza. I'm Jesus.
Oh, yeah.
And what was your name again?
My name is Jesus.
He needs some milk.
What's your last name, Jesus?
Bond. Christ.
James Bond. And what do you look like?
I look like Jesus. What else do I supposed to look like?
Why'd you do that?
Because I'm Jesus. I can do whatever I want.
He needs some milk.
Yo, these people are serious, eh? These people are serious.
So where do you live at?
I don't. I'm from heaven.
How'd you get over to the Pizza Hut?
I'm from heaven, sir.
Okay. And did you break a front window?
Yeah, I broke the door window, sir.
So why does Jesus have to break the window? Couldn't he just levitate inside or find his way inside somehow? Why do you have to break the window, yo? Come on. Why does Jesus need a pizza?
And did you eat a pizza?
Yeah. Had a Mountain Dew.
Oh, yeah.
Please remember to like and subscribe to get more jaw-dropping and thought-provoking videos and conversations.
Hey, thanks, AI. Now, this is a #1 song. It's called Women Cheat for Even Samsung. And I'm sorry to cut off some of the lyrics, but oh yeah, check out this #1 song. I'm going to break the internet just now. Let's listen to this.
我们今生注定是沧桑，苦之来要笑着走过呀。
Oh yeah.
朋友啊，让我们一起牢牢铭记呀。我们今生。
So it's
All right. Now, this lady here has the super body count moment of time. The super body count. Check this out, rude boy. All right, check this out.
So it's July 6th. So I've been with about a person each day for the last like 6-7 months.
The force will be with you.
He needs some milk.
A person each day for the last 6 or 7 months. 6 times 30 is 180. Let's just go right now and see exactly what this lady's saying.
For the last like 6-7 months.
The force will be with you.
200 plus bodies.
Always.
Each day? Each day. So, I mean, if there's been 6 months, 30-ish days, then
Wow.
that's a lot of people. We're already in triple digits.
That's why the lady is a tramp.
So what's 30 times 6? Someone in the comments let us know.
180.
But yeah, I mean, it could be a little less or a little more, but definitely, like, I've been with about one person each day. Some days.
So this is why fathers need to be in daughters' life. 30. So.
Like, I've been with about one person each day. Some days multiple, some days not at all, but.
So how many of those people are new people, or is it all just like the same that you're getting?
No, I mean, yeah, I've had some consistent, like, you know, people that I'll come back to, like, if they're really right, but most of the time it's new people, because I like new experiences, and, you know, I want to try everyone out.
How do you meet them?
A lot of times they'll just, like, slide into my DMs and show interest, and if they're attractive, or if they, like, if I like what they have to offer, like, message-wise, you know, then I'm into it.
Oh. Okay. Would you say that there's a certain day of the week that for some reason you...
She ain't joking when she says she's into it. She's in it to win it for real.
Or if they, like, if I like what they have to offer, like, message-wise, you know, then I'm into it.
Oh. Okay. Would you say that there's a certain day of the week that for some reason you always get the best?
I would say weekends.
Weekend?
Normally. Or, like, even Sundays. Even though Sunday's, like, a chill day, like, people will be laying it down on Sundays.
All right.
Wow.
Sundays are for the gabe.
Nasty bitch.
So it has been decided by millions of women
Listen to
that if
this.
he cannot get you off, he no longer counts in your body count. It doesn't matter if it was 10 minutes, like your situation. It doesn't matter if it was an hour. If you don't finish...
Are you hearing that? Are you hearing the madness? That if
The
he don't get you
Mr.
out, if he doesn't get you off, then it's not counted in the body count. That's absolutely madness. I want to say shout out, respect to everybody that's been tuning in from around the world. I've been actually checking out my stats and seeing that I got South Africa, some India, Philippines, Malaysia, wow, Vietnam. Shout out to Jamaica, of course, the United States, and of course my hometown here in Canada. It's the Mr. Show, I, Red Pill Rickster. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you again soon.